Hello students, I am Professor J.N. Moite, Department of Agriculture Botany. In the last lecture, we have seen what is IPR and different organizations related with IPR. Now we will see lecture number 3, Treaties for IPR Protection, Madrid Protocol, Bern Convention and Budapest Treaty. Firstly, we will see Madrid Protocol. The Madrid system for the international registration of marks is governed by the Madrid Agreement concluded in 1891 and Protocol Relating Agreement concluded in 1989. To protect a mark in a large number of countries by obtaining an international registration that has effect in each of the designated contracting parties. The meaning of contracting parties, that is states and organizations which are party to the Madrid system. The Madrid Union currently has 106 members covering 122 countries. The Madrid system for the international registration of marks is governed by two treaties. First one is Madrid Agreement, which is concluded in 1891 and revised at Brussels, Washington, London, Nice, Stockholm and amended in 1979. Second one is Madrid Protocol, which is concluded in 1989, which aims to make the Madrid system more flexible and more compatible with domestic legislation for certain countries and intergovernmental organizations. These treaties are parallel and independent and open to any state which is party to the Paris Convention for protection of industrial property. Intergovernmental organizations which maintain its own office for registration of marks may become party to the protocol. And international registration is effective for 10 years and further renewed for 10 years after payment of the prescribed fees. Then there are some features of Madrid Treaty. First one is convenient. File a single application in one language and pay one set of fees to apply for trademark protection in multiple territories. Manage your brand through a centralized system and easily expand protection into new markets. It is first feature of Madrid Treaty. Second one is global. Register and manage your trademark in the territories of the Madrid system, representing over 80% of the world trade. And third feature is cost effective. Save time and money by filling one application rather than a bundle of national application. Then next feature is nature of marks. This treaty is not applicable to hologram marks and marks not consisting of visible signs, sound marks and olfactory marks. Then last feature is kinds of marks. This treaty shall apply to marks relating to both goods and services. This treaty is not applied to collective marks, certification marks and guarantee marks. These are the features of Madrid Treaty. Then advantages of the system. First one is instead of filling many national applications in all countries of interest, you can fill only one application. Instead using several different languages, you can fill application in one language, either English or French. International registration may be obtained by simply filling one application with International Bureau and paying only one set of fees. Then all changes, that is change in name or address of the holder, change in ownership of the holder or limitation of the list of goods and services may be recorded by means of a single procedure with the International Bureau and the payment of one fee. Then second treaty, that is Bern Convention. Bern Convention is an international agreement governing copyright which was accepted in Bern, Switzerland in 1886. It deals with the protection of works and the rights of their authors. It provides creators such as authors, musicians, poets, painters, etc. with the means to control how their works are used, by whom and on what terms. It is based on three basic principles and contains a series of provisions determining the minimum protection to be granted as well as special provisions available to developing countries that want to make use of them. The three basic principles are the following. First one is principle of national treatment. Then second one is principle of automatic protection, and third one is principle of independence of protection. These are the three basic principles of Berne Conventions. The following are the rights that must be recognized as exclusive rights of authorization: the right to translate, the right to make adaptations and arrangement of the work, then to the right to perform in public dramatico, musical and musical works, the right to recite literary works in public, the right to communicate to the public the performance of such works, the right to broadcast, the right to make reproduction in any manner or form, the right to use the work as a basis for an audiovisual work, and the right to reproduce, distribute, perform in public, or communicate to the public that audiovisual work. These are the rights which are recognized as exclusive rights. Then duration of protection. As the duration of protection, the general rule is that protection must be granted until the expiration of the 50th year after the author's death. In the case of audiovisual works, the minimum term of protection is 50 years after the making available of the work to the public. In the case of works of applied art and photographic works, the minimum term is 25 years from the creation of the work. Then last treaty is Budapest Treaty. The Budapest Treaty on the international recognition of the deposit of microorganisms for the purpose of patent procedure. Budapest Treaty was signed in Budapest, Hungary on April 28, 1977, entered into force on August 19, 1980, and was later amended on September 26, 1980. Treaty is administered by World Intellectual Property Organization, that is WIPO. This is an international convention governing recognition of deposits in officially approved culture collection for the purpose of patent applications in any country that is party of this treaty. It is essential to deposit stay in culture collection center for testing and examination by others. As of March 2021, 85 countries are party to Budapest Treaty. India became a member of this treaty with effect from December 17, 2001. The Institute of Microbial Technology, Chandigarh, is the first Indian depository set under Budapest Treaty. Very recently, Microbial Culture Collection Center Pune has been recognized International Depository Authority under Budapest Treaty on the international recognition of the deposit of microorganisms for the purpose of patent procedure. The Budapest Treaty ensures that an applicant, that is person who applies for a patent, needs not to deposit the biological material in all countries where he or she want to obtain a patent. The applicant needs only to deposit the biological material at one recognized institution, and this deposit will be recognized in all countries party to the Budapest Treaty. This is all about treaties of IP protection. Thank you.